Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Bitcoin market update: 3 triggers that may send BTC to the moon. http ntvforex.com news ID 4081C1 1 minutes ago, Bitcoin BTC has been range bound with a bearish bias on Thursday. A new bullish cycle may be just around the corner. Bitcoin BTC is changing hands at $11,380 with the short-term bearish sentiments gaining traction. The first digital coin attempted a recovery above $11,400 and hit the intraday high of $11,486 during early Asian hours. However, the upside momentum proved to be unsustainable. Bitcoin's dominance rate settled below 59%, while the number of profitable Bitcoin wallets decreased to 85% from over 90% recently. NBSP: while in the short run Bitcoin looks like a disappointment, longer-term perspectives still imply significant growth that may start before the end of this summer. Here is 5 factors that may become a trend-changing trigger for BTC in the nearest future. The number of Bitcoin whales at a record high. The number of large Bitcoin holders with over 1,000 BTC, also known as whales, increased to 2,088, which is a new all-time high. The population of whales started growing in numbers soon after BTC hit the lowest level of 2020 at $3,600, and the market is still in the accumulation phase. NBSP: in the past 6 years, Bitcoin demonstrated periods of strong correlation with the number of whales where the price dropped together with the number of addresses holding substantial amounts of BTC. If the history of any guide, the market will go higher as long as the accumulation phase is active and whales believe that Bitcoin retains the upside potential. Stablecoin lay the ground for Bitcoin's price increase. Stablecoin supply ratio SSR implies that Bitcoin is grossly undervalued at $11,400, according to NBSP. NBSP Glassnode analysts who use this metric within their BTC USD forecasting model. Experts noticed that now it is 3 times higher than in July 2019 when BTC also reached current price levels. NBSP SSR reflects how much Bitcoin's stablecoin owners can buy at a current price. Thus, when BTC is cheap, their potential purchasing power increase. As the price grows, stablecoins can buy less of the BTC supply as their price is pegged to a fiat currency or other asset. The current stablecoin supply ratio SSR indicates a high buying power of stablecoins over Bitcoin and therefore an increased potential for an upwards movement of $BTC. SSR is 3x stronger than it was when $BTC hit these price levels over a year ago. Fed is going to pump BTC. The financial markets are waiting for Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell's comments on the state of the U.S. economy and the monetary policy. The expectations are that he will confirm the current zero-interest policy stance. The officials have already mentioned that they are ready to tolerate periods of higher inflation to make up for the periods of low inflation. The market will scrutinize Powell's comments for clues of what to may come. NBSP: the inflation topic is, in my mind, is one of the most crucial themes that is currently around. A change in how the Fed targets inflation may enable the central bank to keep stimulus programs going for longer, even as the economy eventually heats up and prices rise. Peter Schaffrick, a global macro strategist at RBC Capital Markets, commented as cited by the Wall Street Journal. The cryptocurrency community believes that Fed's inflationary policies will eventually become a big booster for Bitcoin as a store of value and a hedge against inflation. NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.